Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, JJ. You know, we're back at it like an addict. I do need to start dropping more videos, and I'll eventually start doing it. I'm gonna keep saying it. I'm gonna keep speaking it, and then once I start building a routine about it, then I'll start doing it. But yeah, we're looking at Chevy Silverado that I picked up from ACV. It is 4-wheel drive. I'm not gonna make these. I'm gonna just start cutting these videos probably to like no more than like 6 to 8 minutes, like no more than that. Does have some rust over there at the bottom, like right there. Has this part that's gonna need to basically get fixed. Does have a good set of tires. This is gonna need to get like straightened out. Like that's gonna need to get straightened out. And then I forget, is it like there's something that just like clips in there, like pushes down? I think so. But I think I can find one of those. But yeah, that's gonna have to get fixed. So that's gonna have to get straightened out and fixed. Try to get this straightened up. How Wilson like straighten this up, then I'll go grab another one of these to put on top. U.S. Army retired. Good set of wheels on there. I got some fender flares coming, some more of these since these fell off, so I'm gonna just take these off. I got some ones that got one for right there, you know, there. Because see, the two on this side is off, so I'm just gonna get that fixed. Still making. Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna get it detailed. Then I gotta have Wilson fix this door. You know, cause this door is off track, which probably ain't even. Probably just like, yeah, it looked like it's just that hinge is broke. So I'll just go grab a hinge from the salvage yard or something. See, that hinge is what's messing up that door. What's messing up that door. But you wouldn't guess what I paid for it, you know. So some people might not see the value in it, but I see the value in it. And if you don't know the value of these trucks, you know, just go on your Facebook Marketplace and just type in, this is 2009. Just type in 2009 Chevy Silverado, and then you'll kind of get the gauge and price. And you're gonna see some of them that don't even look that good, and this one's gonna look way better. And this one's 4-wheel drive, leather loaded, you know, garage door opener, fires right up, AC kicking in cold. I got the heated seats over there. Got the 4-wheel drive, the heated seats. Does have a check engine light on, but that's an O2. Leather loaded, so let's see the door won't shut. But that's good, y'all want it right. They got a little steering wheel cover. Got the weather check mats, so we're gonna make sure we get those mats cleaned up and put back in there after we get a detail on one of my mats. So I had to clean the mats off and just put them drive back in there, wipe it all down. After Wilson get done with it, you wouldn't believe what I paid for it. But yeah, it runs and drives, it shifts all its gears. Like I said, AC works, radio works. It does, like I said, the O2 sensor. Probably changed that, but I got my fender flares and everything coming to fix this door panel and stuff. Just fix that. We're gonna just park it back in the back. I just wanted to show y'all the truck. I just wanted to show y'all the truck. You know, I don't want to be making these videos really that long, cause I know most people don't. Most people, like, when I get to that point, maybe a little bit later, then people may be watching. But I don't know. I don't really think people want to watch 30-minute videos. all the time, you know. Every now and again it's okay. I feel like every now and again, maybe 30-minute, hour, you know, but sometimes you gotta throw in those little, I feel like you gotta throw in some little short videos, just right to the point. I know a lot of people like to right to the point, so this one right to the point, just show y'all the truck. Then at the end, if y'all watch it all the way through, cause the title, y'all gonna see, probably guess what I paid for this. You wouldn't guess what I paid for this truck, so it'll probably be the title. And I'll put what I paid for it so y'all see at the end. So if y'all watch it all the way through the end, then y'all know what I paid for it. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start leaving the price of what I paid for it at the end, just to see who at least is watching all the way to the end, you know, because it's only a 6-7 minute video. Let's see if you're gonna watch me to watch a video for, you know, 8 minutes, you know, 7-8 minutes, you know. I'll just try to cap them off for like 8 minutes. Try to be like 8-minute cap, because I think that's when you can do like a good amount of ads and stuff on your videos or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna try to at least get it 7 to 8 minutes cap. Just park it right here. I don't know, some people, do I want to keep the truck? No, I do not. I'm not a truck style person. They did, whoever did it, you know. Seats really just need to be wiped down, you know, and vacuumed. You know, they had the kids in the back. Got the little weather tech, all the little mats, so you know it's gonna be all vacuumed up. Let's see. Got the OnStar, garage door opener, all of that good stuff. Got the remote start, but the remote start won't, y'all know on Chevys, remote start don't work. The remote start, but it is a 2009 1500 on the Chevys. It's the check engine light. We gotta get that door fixed. Y'all know on the Chevy that the check engine light on the remote start will not work. If you didn't know that, so yeah, we gotta get this door fixed. Yeah, you can see it's crashed, messing up that fender. But if it wasn't for that, hold on, I'll be right back with you. All right, there we go. Got it all locked up. So flip a car or two. Flip a car or two. Stuff. But that's kind of what I wait. I wait for the parts to come in, so that gives me the time to, you know, sell 1 or 2 cars before those parts come in, because I'll sell, you know, 1 or 2 of the little cheaper, little lower end cars. Quick flips, as I call them. And then we'll have the money to pay Wilson. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And if y'all watched all the way through, then y'all see what I paid for this truck. And y'all let me know if was it a good deal. Also, look on y'all marketplace. Like I said, also go look on your marketplace and see what those trucks are going for. And we'll go from there. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.